Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Microsoft Windows 11 Microsoft Store not opening, not launching or not working problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that go to your system, click on a troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. After doing this that find out a Windows Store. Now here is a Windows Store apps, click on run option. After doing this tab, click on the next button. Now after that click on close. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is WS reset and press enter. Now close it and exit the command prompt. The third method is that in the search box type up, go to your settings of your Windows. After doing this tab, click on apps. After doing this tab, click on apps and features. After doing this tab, type a store. Go to your Microsoft, click on the three dots, go to your advanced options. After doing a scroll down, click on repair option. After that, click on a reset. After doing this tab, click on closed. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that go to your search and type of services. Open a services. First of all, find out a Windows update. Open it and make sure that it's selected the automatic. Click on apply and OK button. After doing this, find out After doing this step, find out a background intelligent transfer services. Open it, select the automatic, click on start button. After doing this step, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, find out a Microsoft Store. Now here is a Microsoft interface services. Make sure that it's selected automatic. Click on apply and OK button. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type PowerShell. Open up PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After doing this step, copy the first command which is available into the video description and paste it. After doing this step, type exit and exit the PowerShell, and after that restart your computer. I hope your problem is fixed, but if it's still, then you can try a next method. Go to your search box and type a PowerShell. Open a PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After doing this step, type a copy a second command It's available into the video description. Copy it, and after doing this step, paste it and press enter. Type the exit and exit the PowerShell, and after doing this step, restart your computer. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. In the search box, type a PowerShell. Open a PowerShell, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, in the search box, copy the third command. It's available into the video description and paste it. Press enter. After doing this step, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.